Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, Pamasagri Channel, a faith healer also at tarot reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya ba for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawag support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang dinigi-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na guumapaw na biyayang man ang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices ng ating angel spirit na para sa ating mga kapatid na Virgo. Let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga gilap? Tuklasin at bulabugin natin. Let's see. Angels Spirit, let's give an information po. Okay, there's a Hermit card. Spiritual awakening. So, mayroong bagay na parang magigising ka, no, sa katotohanan, no, or may mga bagay na maaaring magpapagising, no, sa iyong natutulog na katawan lupa, or maaaring magbibigay kasagutan sa iyong katanungan about sa spirituality, no. Now, there's something guys na maaaring makakawala ka na sa comfort zone. Let's see additional messages. Now, there's a spiritual line, spiritual journey, there's a Six of Cups, there's a past person coming back. So, some of you guys na mayroong ditong a familiarity, no, a situation or person na maaaring bumalik, no, there's something, a past person coming back. With a Queen of Swords, there's a clear the boundaries, so kailangan linisin mo. Tanggalin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nagsiserve sa'yo, hindi nakakatulong sa situations mo. Na dapat lagi mong pakakatandaan na ano man yung bagay na nangyari from the past, matuto ka na, tanggalin mo na yung mga taong hindi nakakatulong sa situation mo as of now, for current situations. Now, let's see additional messages. And there's a Five of Wands. So, there's something complication. Merong mga bagay na maaari nagbibigay komplikasyon. Now, it's either competition, competitors, or there's an inner complications dito, no, sa situations mo. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big shit and big money coming in. So, may magandang opportunities. May malaking perang paparating sa'yo. So, may magandang offer. No, there's a material offer. No, there's something, a big shot. No, a big money, a material things na maaring dumating sa buhay mo. Now, there's a Page of Pentacles. Now, there's something investment. No, na maaring mamamanifest mo. No, kung mayroong kang balak magbukas ng business, magbago ng business, there's a possibility mag-work yan. No, kung ikaw naman ay gusto mo magtrabaho, no, or maaaring kumuha ng ibang trabaho, there's a possibility na maaaring makakuha ka ng other work, job. With a Hermit card, represent what? There is a Tower moment. Now, there's a chaos. Now, there's a major changes. I feel something with this Hermit card. Now, meron dito spiritual problem. Like a open portal. Now, meron ditong bintana sa bintana, pinto sa pintong magkatapat. Now, I feel nakakapag-create ng negativities. No, kaya parang ang daming mga nararamdaman, no, ng inyong pamilya. Na maraming kumbaga pabalik-balik at the same time na kumbaga nagkasakit si ganto naman sumunod, si ganto naman. There's an open portal. No, there's a negativities. No, there kumbaga may lagusan, no, ng negatibong elemento sa inyong tahanan. What is the Six of Cups? The Six of Cups represent guys with the King of Pentacles. Na being secure, no, sa ano man yung bagay na meron ka, no, learn from the past. So, matuto ka na sa mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo from the past. Na maging, you're also provider, breadwinner with your family. So, you need to be wise, no, and of course, be practical and mature enough how to manage and control your finances. No, dahil meron ditong about sa nakaraan na maaaring maulit, no? There's something repeated cycle. So, kailangan maging aware. What is the Queen of Swords? The Queen of Swords represents the Four of Pentacles, saving and protecting. So, kailangan protection na pangalagaan na naman yung bagay na meron ka. It's either territory, power, money. No, ano man yung bagay na meron ka, kailangan mo protection na nito. No, there's a Queen of Swords, clear the boundaries. Linisin mo. Tanggalin mo yung mga bagay na hindi na magsaserve sa situations mo. Budget. No, kailangan mong kumbaga, maging wise, no, sa pag-spend ng money, no, sa kagastusan, sa mga bagay na walang kabuluhan, tantanan mo na yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong. What is the Five of Wands? The Five of Wands represents with a judgment. That's something a week of ko. Pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention from what? From this complication. Kasi hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi gaganda yung sitwasyon mo once na mayroong, kumbaga, negative energy or something, nagkakaroon ng complication dito sa sitwasyon mo. No, parang ano yan eh. Parang sugat yan eh. No, once na contaminated or complicated or something na parang may komplikasyon na, no, hindi siya gagaling hanggat hindi mo siya ginagamot. No, at iwasan yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa eksena mo. So, yung bagkos yung nakakasama. So, ganun siya. No? Kailangan panatiliin mong malinis at maayos ang situations mo. Tanggalin mo yung mga taong, kumbaga, nagdadala ng negative sa'yo. No? Ganun siya. What is the Ace of Pentacles? Kasi na-attract mo siya, guys. Na-attract mo yung negativities nila. So, ganun yung nangyari. Nagkakaroon ka rin ng negative issues. And of course, oh my God. And there's an Empress card. There's something a revert. Oh, there's a new blessing coming in with the Ace of Pentacles. So, may blessing talagang paparating sa'yo when it comes from money matters. So, ito na. Pagdating sa pera talaga, no, magiging masagana ka talaga. No, may biyayang pagpapala. And of course, there's a magician for manifestation. No, tulad ng sinasabi ko with the Page of Pentacles, there's a manifestation. With the magician is something manifestation. Na ma-manifest mo, yung ano man yung bagay na plano nyo. No, you create your situation and you have the power to change it. No, kaya mong makaalis sa sitwasyon mo. Kaya mo rin makagawa ng paraan para makalaya ka dyan sa mundong ginagalawan mo, no? You can do it, guys, no? Lalo-lalo na from business industry or something, a business venture, no? New ideas, no? You can make, no, an idea, no? To become a better situation, to have a better situation, to have a better, morning, something like that. So, parang may magandang bukas na nakalaan para sa'yo eh. So, let's see what is the Hermit card with the Tower moment. There's a Eight of Pentacles. No? Just focus. No? Sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Na mag-focus ka sa ano man yung bagay na ginagawa mo. And there's something a Hermit card. There's a hidden agenda, there's a hidden enemies. So, ang pinaka may hidden agenda dito. Now, bakit you are also provided with winner with your family. So, there's a possibility, no, isa sa bagay nagbibigay ng burden sa'yo, yung pamilya mo. Or may negative family, there's a toxic family, or toxic traits, kung ika nga, na nakakahatak na negative kaya hindi makaahon at hindi ka makabangon from that situations. No? What is the Queen of Swords? The Four of Pentacles. There's a Two of Wands. So, there's a first step. So, meron kang unang hakbangin na kailangan gawin, budgeting. So, kailangan mo mag-budget. Pero kailangan mo maging wise, no, sa pagbigay ng pera. Dahil some of you guys, no, naaabuso na talaga. It's not good for you guys. And of course, there's a Page of Wands, so there's a good news. May magandang balita daw dito. Na basta pinapaalalahanan ka na kailangan mong tanggalin ang bagay na nagbibigay komplikasyon sa'yo. At may mga bagay na maaring dumating sa'yo. There's a messages, phone call. And everything is fine. So, everything is okay. So, ano man yung bagay na to na nararanasan mo, na talagang inilalaban mo kasi alam mo at the end of the time, na makakabangot, makakaraos ka dyan. And of course, hindi naman close yung chapter from that for you, no? Kumbaga, yung bagay na yan, ibibigay talaga sa'yo kung talagang para sa'yo. With the Page of Pentacles, because the Magician, represent guys with the world. Some of you guys talagang may plano ka mag-ibang bansa, no? There's a planning to go abroad, no? Or maaari magtrabaho ka na international, or meron kang balak mag-ibang bansa. Na naman yung bagay of purpose mo dyan, there's a possibility makakaalis ka. Now, what is the Hermit card? Because the Tower moment, the Eight of Pentacles represents with the Temperance. It's something perfect timing. It's all about perfect timing. It's all about divine intervention. So, may mga paalala sa ng ating divine na you need to pay attention. No? Alam nyo yung bahay nyo, yung tahanan nyo, kumaga, magaang siya pagdating sa pera. Nga lang, merong parang nagbigay sumpa or kamalasan sa inyo. Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung parang gumuguho, no? Parang nararanasan nyo ang pagtubal, pagbagal, pero hindi naman yung ganyan talaga yung hindi naman talaga ganyan yung naranasan nyo before. So, magaang siya. Kung hindi lang yan ginawa ng eksena, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng mga problema as of now. And there's a Knight of Swords. No, there's an anxiety, sleeplessness. Some of you guys, no, even your family, no, alam nyo guys, may nasense ako dito. No, mayroong kapitbahay na inggitera, ha? With the Knight of Swords, there's an anxiety, sleepless night. So, nagkakaroon kayo ng sleepless anxieties, no? It's either you or with your family. No, meron kasi nainggit dito, relatives din at of course, mga kapitbahay and friends. Ganun. And there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition. No, unti-unti rin daw kayo makakalis sa hindi maganda situations na makakabangon na rin daw kayo dito. Now, at the same time, there's something, a star card for healing and recovery. So, see, it's all about healing. So, talagang pinapakita dito, may magandang balita na maaaring magdala sa inyo ng healing, no? Sa situations nyo. And of course, there's something guys with the Ace of Wands. So, there's something, a new project. Now, magkakaroon kayo ng mga bagong plano, proyekto, no, idea na maaaring magpabukas no, sa panibagong pintuan para sa inyo. So, may magaganda talagang opportunities na maaaring dumating sa inyo, guys. Let's see. Because there's something a Four of Swords. So, there's something a rest. So, kailangan nyo na sa patapahinga, ha? Nag-over patig kayo. Stop worry, guys, no? At the same time, meron talaga magician dito na maaring, meron ditong ginagawang kayo ng eksena para hindi kayo makaalis. No, tuwing nga alis kayo, parang feeling nyo sumasakit ng ulo nyo. No, kumbaga may nararamdaman, kala nyo nilalagnat kayo or something mabigat ang inyong pakiramdam, sitwasyon. So, may negative energy ako nasa-sense, guys. No, with the Four of Swords. So, let's see, guys, what is additional messages with finances and career, love life at kalusugan. So, nandito na tayo, guys. Finances and career, love life at kalusugan. There's a Six of Pentacles. Oh, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances, guys. And there's a Ten of Wands, something burden. Matatapos na at makakawala ka na from that burden. No, from that situations, no? Yung bagake, makakawala ka na raw dyan, guys. Magtutuloy to. And there's a 12 kasi may partnership. May partnership din daw dito, ha? Pagdating sa finances and career mo, may mga obligation, responsibilities ka dito na maaring mag-end na. And there's a Five of Cups. Now, may mga disappointment lang dito. Now, kailangan marunong ka tumanggap ng disappointment. There's a Death card in reverse. Now, there's an ending and a new beginning. So, maaaring may mga bagay na wawakasan dito. No, tatapusin na dito. No, some of you guys, no, kahit anong business mo, nagkakaroon ka ng bankruptcy that because of this negative energy. Tulad ng sinasabi ko, may nagbigay ng pabigat sa iyong negosyo, hanap buhay, pagdating sa trabaho. There's a crisis. And there's a Three of Wands. No, meron kayong mga resulta na hinihintay, paper, documents, na maaring dumating na. Pagdating sa love life, anong chika, guys? Okay. So, there's a Chariot card for action movement. There's a two joining forces. No, may pagkilos at may paggalaw. Some of you, if you were separated, no? And of course, separated. I feel something, meron ditong separated. There's a Knight of Cups, there's an apology. No, meron ditong babalik. No, may mag-apology. And of course, the other side, meron naman ako sense dito na maaaring may mag-propose. No, there's something an offer. No, if you are being single, meron dito manliligaw. Ganon. And there's an Ace of Swords with the mental clarity. Magbibigay ito ng kaliwanagan sa isa't isa sa inyo. No, there's a wise and intelligent decision na pagdating sa love life. And this is something a Queen of Pentacles. Basta maging mature kayo how to manage and control your finances. If you were a woman. No, kung ikaw ay Virgo na women, maging mature ka how to manage and control your finances or income or profit. No, dahil some of you baka panay order mo, panay bili-bili mo na kung ano-ano. No, tantanan mo muna yan. And there's a Six of Wands for victory. Magtatagumpay daw kayo ng person mo. No, may mga plano kayo na kailangan yung unahin. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. Now, there's a success driven. So, bibilis ang takbo ng situations nyo. Pagdating sa relasyon, talaga magtatagumpay kayo. There's a success driven. Sa kalusugan, guys, There is something in Eight of Cups, something abandonment. There's something Eight of Cups for something moving forward. So, meron kayong kailangan tantanan. No? Meron kayong kailangan tigilan. Yung mga bagay na hindi nagsiserve sa inyong kalusugan, tigilan nyo, guys. And there's a Two of Swords. There's something decision that you need to make. So, mayroon dito desisyon na kailangan yung gawin. Now, with the Ten of Pentacles, magkakaroon kayo ng long-term success. And of course, a long-term good health. So, gaganda rin ang kalusugan nyo. Magiging maayos na tatagal pa yung buhay nyo. With the Four of Cups, no, iwasan lang tumanggap ng mga pagkain na galing sa ibang tao, ha? Kasi some of you baka dyan ka makaranas ng kung ano-anong karanasan sa pakiramdam dahil there is something a poison or there is something karga, ganun. Now, with the Page of Cups, there's something fishy. Makinig ka sa intuition and gut feeling mo. No? Kailangan mong gamitin yung intuition mo. Pag alam mo na iba'y nararamdaman mo from that person, tigilan mo at the same time. Na kapag alam mo mayroon kang instinct sa kanya, tigilan mong tumanggap. With the Seven of Swords, there's a sneakiness. No, there's a cheating line. Kasi meron ditong kumukuha ng information sa'yo, no, inaalam-alam kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, baka ginagawa ka ng hindi maganda. No, kaya kailangan nyo lang mag-pay attention. Na tinitignan nito kung tumatalab yung ginagawang palipadahangan sa'yo, gano'n. Kumagatit na itong tao. I feel something kung hindi mo ito kamag-anak, kaibigan mo to, or kapitbahay mo. Basta there's something close band. Napakalapit lang. So let's see. What is an angel's number? Angels messages mo na with the Money Move Oracle deck. Ito muna tayo guys with the Money Move Oracle deck. Then of course magpuproceed tayo ha. With the Money Move Oracle deck. There's an opportunity. So, change is coming just at that time. So, see, there's a new job, opportunities, change of workplace, or business trip. So, see, talaga may opportunities talagang darating sa'yo. Tina-clarify lang talaga. Now, what is angel's number? Represent with a 11 with a wish coming true. Mayroon matutupad na mga pangarap mo, guys. No, may mga bagay na maaaring magdadala sa iyo ng katuparan sa pangarap mo. You're in a lucky break. It may come with a happy news, experience and new opportunities, or an exciting acquaintance. You will find yourself in the right place at the right time. It's not coincidence, but a gift from your feet. No, dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, dahil sa pagpupursige mo sa mga bagay na gusto mong makukuha mo talaga siya. What is the magical for messages, advices for you guys? Vegetarian. So, kailangan mo kumain ng mga more vegetable. So, ang atake mo, gulay-gulay muna, ha? Tigil-tigilan mo yung mga karne-karne na hindi nakakatulong for your detoxification. No, kasi hindi ka nakakapag-detoxify na maayos. Yung marami ka ng toxin sa katawan. Hindi lang toxic sa paligid, kundi sa pati sa sarili mo, marami na rin toxin. And there's something a tactics, control. Kontrolin mo yung bunganga mo. So it means na mag-ingat ka sa mga pagkukwento ng kung ano-ano. Dahil some of you guys, panay kwento, panay talak, panay kung ano-ano sinasabi mo with other people. No, maaring, kumbaga, some of them, there's an evil eye, kaya hindi natutuloy yung mga transactions mo. No, at some of you guys, no, dahil panay kwento mo, may mga taong naiingit pala, hindi mo namamalayan, ganon. Iwasan mo na magkwento ng kung ano-ano. Mas maganda yung nakakatanggap, kumbaga yung nakikinig, kaysa yung nagbibigay ng information. And there's a reflection. Now, meron daw ditong reflection. Some of you talaga, merong bintana sa bintana na magkatapat, salamin sa bintana, pintuan sa bintana, magkatapat, salamin sa pintuan, magkatapat. So, there's a possibility, there's an open portal. With the Romance Angels, with a Mystic Love Oracle deck. Now, there's a marriage. Now, meron daw dito about sa relasyon, no? Pag-ibig, sacred union. Talagang magsasama kayo. No, talagang there's something, a person na talaga makakasama for good. And there's a safety comfort. Ay, safe ka raw pag itong tao na to kasama mo. Parang feeling mo, komportable ka. No, parang feeling mo, damang-dama mo. What is the synchronicities? There is a brother, the magician. No? There's a magician. No? There's a manifestation or there's a magic, no? And there's a brother. So there's a possibility, guys, no? Kumaga meron daw ditong gumagawa ng black magic with your brother. O maaaring there's a brother involved dito sa situations mo. What is Archangel Michael messages? At ang gabay sa'yo ni Archangel Michael is you're on the right path. Napanood mo tong reading na to at nasa tamang direction ka. Kaya kumapit ka. What is the Jesus loving quote said? A Jesus loving quote said, ano kayo gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating Panginoong Heso Kristo? Eto na guys. Seek you first the kingdom of God in His righteousness, and all things should be added to you. Papakita daw muna sa iyo ng ating Panginoon ng kanyang kaharian bago niya ibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat para sa iyo. No, marami ka munang mararanasan, mararamdaman, trials, failure, obstacles, challenges. No, it's a part of your journey. So, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. No, nandito na tayo sa pinakahuling chapter ng ating reading, ang favorite ng ating mga viewers. Kung ikaw ay matagal ko ng subscriber, followers, please comment down below. Alam mo to, na ang yes or no pick a card, oracle card, pwede ka magtanong. No, there is a yes or no. No, pwede ka magtanong. Sa isip mo ngayon na. No, habang napapanood mo to, mag-isip ka na ng tanong. At mapipili ka na magiging sagot. Now, within 1, 2, 3. No, tatlo yan. Pipili ka sa tatlo, isa lang ang pipiliin mo kung ano yung magiging sagot sa tanong mo. Ha? And of course, kapag nakapag-isip ka ng tanong, pumili ka na, bilisan mo na. Then of course, magiging sagot mo ay ngayon din mismo. No, pagkatapos ko nito mag-shuffle, pumili, at ayun na nga. No? Okay. So, nakapili ka na, nakapag-isip ka na. Let's start with the number 1. With a yes or no pick a card, let's start with the number 1. Number 1, represent with a no. So, ibig sabihin, hindi. No? Feeling fragment cracking under pressure. Huwag mong ipilit yung isang bagay na hindi pa hulma o hindi pa hubog. No? Huwag mo ipagpilitan yung isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo pa kaya. Lalo lang masisira. Lalo lang guguho. Number 2. Number 2, guys. Represent with a no again. Crack in your facade, unsupported, drying up. So, ibig sabihin to, unti-unti nasisira to kung walang pagtutulungan sa situations mo. Na parang, kumbaga, meron dito na hindi totoo na ang kanyang pinapakita sa'yo. Or meron ditong parang bagay na unti-unting nasisira nang hindi mo tuluyang nakikita yung nangyayari behind the scenes. So, parang wala kang kamalay-malay what's going on. Or either there is a no. Ano man yung tanong mo, there is a no. Number 3, there is a no again. Okay, may abula, there is a no and yes daw. So, okay, bigyan natin ng ano yan. No, there is a 2 answer with the number 3. Misdirection, recalibrate your course, no? May mali kang direksyon na tinahak, no? At ito yung bagay na nagdala sa'yo para mapahamak or maipit sa sitwasyon. No, parang ano yan, side effect na ng iyong ginawa. With the number 3, with a yes, connect to the new possibilities and transition smoothly. So, ito kumonekta ka sa bagong posibilidad. Na ito yung magdadala sa iyo para ilagay ka sa tamang landasin mo. So, may mali ka man desisyon na ginawa, kaya mo pang itama at kaya mo pang may isaayos ng mas malinis at mas maganda. So, guys, this is something a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign off. For the sign of Virgo. So, Virgo. Maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang maanabalik sa inyo. Kung ikaw ay gusto mong patuloy tayo mag-upload ng horoscope zodiac sign like this Virgo signs, please comment down below. At the same time, don't skip the ad para nang sa ganan, mas lumawak pa no, ang ating reading. Ganun yon. Maraming salamat po to support my channel. No, maraming salamat and see the next video. Bye-bye and babush.